Do you struggle with bad breath, even after brushing your teeth? You're not alone. Millions of people deal with this problem every day. The good news? There are simple home remedies that can help freshen your breath naturally and improve your oral health. In this video, you'll discover effective and easy remedies you can start using today. Let's begin. Section 1. What causes bad breath? Bad breath, also known as halitosis, can happen for many reasons. Some of the most common causes include poor oral hygiene, bacteria on the tongue, dry mouth, certain foods like garlic and onions, smoking, gum disease, digestive problems. When bacteria build up inside the mouth, they produce unpleasant odors. That's why keeping your mouth clean and hydrated is extremely important. Section 2. Drink more water. The first and easiest remedy is simple: drink more water. A dry mouth creates the perfect environment for odor-causing bacteria. Water helps wash away food particles, keep your mouth moist, reduce bacterial growth. Try drinking water throughout the day, especially after meals. Section 3. Baking soda mouth Rinse baking soda can help neutralize odors and balance the pH inside your mouth. Here's how to use it. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water. Gargle for 30 seconds. Spit it out. Do this once daily. Many people notice fresher breath after just a few uses. Section 4. Clean your tongue. Your tongue can trap bacteria, food debris, and dead cells. That buildup is one of the biggest causes of bad breath. Use a tongue scraper or your toothbrush. Gently clean your tongue every morning. You may be surprised by the difference it makes. Section 5. Parsley and mint. Parsley and mint are natural breath fresheners. They contain chlorophyll, which may help reduce unpleasant odors. After meals, try chewing fresh parsley or mint leaves. This simple habit can help freshen your breath naturally. Section 6. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar may help balance bacteria in the mouth and support digestion. To use it safely, add 1 tablespoon to a glass of water. Drink before meals. Important: always dilute apple cider vinegar to protect your teeth and stomach. Section 7. Good oral hygiene. No home remedy will work well without proper oral hygiene. Make sure you brush your teeth twice daily. Floss every day. Replace your toothbrush regularly. Visit a dentist for checkups. Healthy gums and clean teeth are essential for fresh breath. Bad breath can be frustrating, but small daily habits can make a big difference. Try these natural remedies consistently and pay attention to your oral hygiene. If bad breath continues for a long time, it's important to speak with a healthcare professional since it could be linked to an underlying health condition. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who may need it. Thanks for watching.